Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to post photos on TikTok. This is actually pretty simple. As you can see on the bottom of our screen on our app, we have this big plus, so click on that. And in here guys, as you can see, this is going to be our editor. So in here you can either use your camera to upload videos or photos, or you can just upload them from your library. So whatever method you wish to use, it's up to you, but let us just choose some kind of photo and I'll show you how to add it. Alright, so here's the photo of my cat, for example. So you just press on add photo, then browse in your library of photos on the storage of your phone for some kind of photo, and then press on next if you wish to upload it. And here guys, it's up to you if whether you want to edit this photo somehow, maybe add some filters or maybe add some text, some stickers, whatever you wish, you can do that. Maybe crop it, add music, yeah, you can do everything. When you're ready, just press on next. In here you can add a catchy title, write a description if you wish, add other things like links, locations, also added the privacy, and then when you're ready you just press on the post button. And as you can see now my photo is posted, and if I go to my profile back into here, as you can see now here's a photo of my cat. There you go. Pretty simple and easy. Enjoy posting on TikTok. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.